Your Mondays probably start the same way. Hundreds of waiting callers, exhausted agents, and a need to automate with a Voicebot without touching your rock-solid communication system. But here's the hidden catch. Your PBX and AI Voicebot speak different protocols. Without a translator, calls drop, transfers fail, and your customers get stuck on hold. You've tried other platforms, but they force you to rebuild your entire telephony stack, and that's a deal breaker for any busy call center. That's why we built the AI Voicebot connector, a custom-built integration solution that fits alongside your existing SIP infrastructure. It can capture live audio from your PBX, stream it to your Voicebot, then convert responses back into SIP, all in milliseconds, so calls never miss a beat. No migrations, no middleware headaches, just seamless automation that scales with your busiest days. Ready to turn chaos into calm? Let's bridge your PBX and AI Voicebot today.